Hello, everyone. This is Mrs. G bringing you a quick video message to let you know what I've got going on this week. This is the last full week of January, and I just drove all the way to Idaho Falls today. So I am here testing students that live up here in Idaho Falls, and I will be here all week long. So you will not see classes from me on your schedule because I am testing some of our friends in another part of Idaho. I will be back Friday and I will have a class on your plan for us to get together and say hi and see how it's going and just check in. But I did want to just pop in and let you know that's why you won't see me this week. The following week, from after this week, it is January 30th, 31st, and then it's February already. It's so crazy. So that first week of February, you are going to be doing the middle of year test for our school. Now, I am going to do my best to schedule classes for you that are helpful and a study session time. So you'll just have to check your daily plan to see when I put it on there for you. But your big focus that week will be the mid-year test that you take with your homeroom teachers. I am here to support you with that process. If you need help with logging in or if you're unsure of how to study for it, feel free to reach out to me about that. So after you focus on your mid-year exam, it will be the second week of February. It'll be February 6th, and I will be testing you all again. And these are all the locations I will be at. So depending on where you live, this is where I will see you. I'll be in Buell, I'll be in Caldwell, Nampa, and Payette. Now on the 9th, we all have a catch-up day, a breather day, including for me to do some paperwork. So on the 9th, if you are a student that is testing with me and has maybe gotten a little bit behind because you were with me at the library all day one day, make sure you catch up on the 9th of any overdue lessons or any quizzes that maybe you didn't master at 80%. So that is your job on the 9th. Now, during this previous week, during mid-year testing, you're not going to have normally scheduled classes. So this week is a good week to get caught up on all of your, if you have any overdue lessons as well, and to stay on top of it. You can even work ahead a little bit because you know you're going to be with me this following week. I will be at our home office in Meridian on Eagle Road on the 16th to test those students. And so you might be one of the very last students to test on February 16th. The 17th is a student event day, which varies by location. So you'll have to keep an eye out on that. Then we have February 20th off of school for President's Day. So that's a nice long 3-day weekend. And by Tuesday, February 21st, I will be resuming our regularly scheduled programming. We will have our classes back on our daily plans. So this is a snapshot of what February will look like. In the meanwhile, even though I won't be seeing you in live class, everyone has their Summit K-12 login, and we have been using that to prepare for our access test. I'd like you to take it upon yourselves to be a responsible student and to jump in using your email and the password IDVA Wolves or Wolves22. You might have Wolves22 as well. To practice some quizzes in all areas of listening, speaking, reading, and writing. I have actually gone in and unlocked all of them for you because it's that time of year. It is time for us to make sure we've ramped up all of our efforts to show our best growth in all of those areas. So all your quizzes are unlocked for you. So please take it upon yourselves to jump in there and get lots of practice before you see me the week of February 6th or February 13th. Okay, if something goes haywire with your login, please text me. Texting is better right now because I am testing students at 208-296-9181, and I will be sure to respond right away to make sure I help you to get logged in. Okay, I'm looking forward to seeing all of you in person very soon. And please reach out with any questions and always do your best. Thank you so much.